Hey guys, so it's Damien from Marketing Food Online. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ice cream food truck logo. I found an amazing website, and if you're looking to create a food truck logo design, this website is going to be right up your alley because it's super simple, and within seconds, you can get over 9,000 different designs to choose from. And we're going to jump into that website right now. All right, so as I mentioned in the introduction, I'm super excited to bring you this website called brandcrowd.com. And remember, down below in the description, I'll have a ton of links to help you get started. Of course, one directly to BrandCrowd. I've got my laptop open, and I'm going to dive right into it. So as always, if you are new to Marketing Food Online, this is Marketing Food Online 2. This is my second channel that's dedicated to food entrepreneurship and creating food products or even developing a food truck or a packaged food product to get online or even sell on Amazon. So I've been in the food industry for nearly 30 years, and I've been an entrepreneur. My wife and I started a food business 12 years ago online, and we've got multiple stores where we sell our products. So I'm going to dive into this and show you exactly how this works. So if you're looking to create a food truck logo design that is oriented for ice cream trucks or some type of mobile food business, you have a food cart of some kind that you even want to just do that you don't have to have a food truck for, you can just roll it out and keep it small and simple. This is going to create a really cool ice cream truck design logo, and there's a few little steps that you want to keep in mind, and I'm going to walk you through it. So definitely check out brandcrowd.com, and then what we do here, the first thing to do is the type of food business name that you've got. So let's just say it's Damien's Ice Cream. And your keywords here, you want to type in ice cream, of course, obviously. If you're doing like a burger truck or a pizza truck or something, you want to type in either pizza or burger because it's going to pull up designs that are related to that. So hit create logos, and within a matter of seconds, check this out. Now, the really cool thing that's really awesome about BrandCrowd is it allows you to access the logo itself and change and manipulate the text, the font style, the color of it, the layout, everything about it, and then you can actually make the purchase. But it gives you over 9,000 different designs to choose from. And let me scroll down really quick, and then we're going to pick out one of these, and I'm going to show you how simple this is to do. Very easy and fast. Right here, there it is. Yep. So you got 9,600 logos to choose from. Now, if you continue to scroll down to the bottom, let me show you this is really neat too. You can actually go in and check different popular keywords. So let's say you're looking for an ice cream logo, okay? You can actually change the style of the logo based upon popular keywords. Okay, so what does that mean, Damien? Let me show you this. So it's going to give you a lot of kind of animated characters' faces that are obviously related to ice cream, cows, dairy, that type of stuff. So it's pretty cool from that perspective. If you want to go sort of more cartoon kid-like to attract kids, that's definitely something. Now this guy, I don't know why there's a burger in it, but that's kind of funny. But all right, let's go grab this. Let me go back down to the bottom, and let me change this up again. We're going to do ice cream. So you can choose the logo and the design. So watch what I can do here. Let's see, which one do we want to go? Oh, I kind of like this one. So once you click on the image, from there you'll go to the editor, and then from that point on, you can change and manipulate anything about it. So here's my cursor. As you highlight and you activate that section, all of these colors to the right are the colors that are inside of the design, right? So you can change it up. Like the straw is a little on the dark side. So let me change that from being dark maybe to being yellow or a neon color, or even peach or a light blue. Okay, so choose which color you want. Let's go ahead with that. I kind of like that. All right. Now the next one up is the font. So this is going to be the name of the ice cream business, so the ice cream food truck that you're going to be creating. Now from here, you can manipulate over on the right the different style fonts. And again, let me show you how easy this is. You've got literally hundreds to choose from. What I try for is I want to have a logo where the text is easily readable, where people can read it very quickly, because a lot of times customers only look at a logo very quick and fast. They don't have time to get involved with reading what it says. You want to have it very simple. So this is pretty cool, but I don't like the color. So let's go over here. You click on the new colors. You can create any color that you'd like. Now, I'm going to create something that's kind of bright and maybe yellow. And something, well, it's going to be a little bit more legible. There we go. Actually, it's kind of cool. I like the red. The deep red is easy to spot. And then next up, you click on the third thing is going to be your slogan. Now, really quick tip. Don't ever try to overlay or overlap text over a graphic. So you're doing something like this, it's going to get complicated and kind of hard for people to see. So always separate your font and separate your logo or your slogan, the actual wording and text, okay? And you want to shrink it down or make it large, whatever you want to do. I also try not to make it too big. I want to keep it within about the parameters of the design. And again, that's just my preference. When I studied graphic design in college, that was one thing they taught us, is that you don't want to exceed the size of the text overlapping the logo. So this one is the next one up. Now this is your slogan. Now you can edit this as well. Let me show you how this works. So on here, Damien's Ice Cream, you could just say the world's greatest. And then again, you could change the font style here. Now we want to go with something that's really quick and easy to read, and it's very legible. You can get really designy on here, but too overly designed, it makes it difficult to read, and you definitely don't want to do that. So let me scroll down here. There's also gradient colors, which are kind of cool too. And there you go. That's pretty simple. Now, what I also recommend you do lastly before you create your food truck ice cream logo is make sure that it's a little bit smaller on the bottom, your slogan, than the name of your business. You want people to remember the name of the business, not necessarily your slogan, because that's not what they're going to recall, okay? They're really going to focus on what's the name of that ice cream, what's the name of that food truck that sells ice cream that comes to the neighborhood. What's the name of it again? So Damien's Ice Cream, that's what you want to do. You want to keep that the focal point and make that smaller. Now, when you're all set to go, you simply hit download and give it 1 second or two here. And this will give you the opportunity to buy the package. Now, this is really important because you're going to get them in the different vector files. These vector files will allow you to create merch like hats and t-shirts. You can add this logo to even the uniforms for your employees. But if you got a big following for your ice cream truck and you got a really cool design, you could sell merch on a website, which would generate additional income as well. So that's definitely something you want to think about. Not only revenue from your food truck ice cream business, but also from your food truck apparel or merch business that you can sell on your website, which is actually really cool. So you'll be able to download whichever package you choose to get. You'll have all those files and you're all set to go. So if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.